Everyone out there should probably have a dash cam in their vehicle. Today I want to show you one of the nicest ones I've found. This is a dash cam made by Mangoal, and we're going to be putting it in this 2023 F-150 here behind me. Here is our dash cam. Check that out. Got some tools in there. So Mangoal makes dash cams for several different makes and models, but on the F-150 they have a Model A, a Model B, and a Model C. On this particular model we have a screw. Some of them will, some of them won't, so this process may vary, but in this case we need to remove this screw. It's the first thing we got to do. Now we got to insert this piece up here. It's just going to sit just like so. Tighten that screw up until it gets loose again.
Probably gave you a screw.
I think so. So in our bag here full of our dash cam and our parts, we have some tools, and we also have a new screw here. It's a little bit longer than our previous one. We're going to start this thing up in here. So we do get a 128 gigabyte SD card that we need to insert prior to installing this thing. There we go. A little tight getting up there. I think fits pretty smooth. Looks nice. Looks like it was meant to go there. They sent us a jumper for our mirror here. Gotta hold my mouth right. That looks nice, huh? Right here in the instructions gives us a QR code to get this sky cam. So after that, we're gonna need to go to our Wi-Fi here, and we are going to connect, I don't know what the hell is it called? Wi-Fi DVR right here. And the default password for all of these cameras is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to join. Now that we have our camera connected, we'll try access camera here, and let's see what we see. So here is our view of what's in front of us. If you got real good fingers like me, you can use them. If not, get you a plastic trim tool. They send one with it. Get these wires. We're going to tuck them in the headliner. That's the idea. Kind of stuff this back up under here. Keep my headliner from getting stains on it, because this actually is my truck and I prefer not to look at grease stains on my headliner.
Crease it down?
Me? No, it ain't. Don't crease it. It'll come back out. No problem, Jake.
Probably didn't even know your screen had that screen.
I did not. Whoopsie. See my crease, Jake? Get up in there. Now is all that gonna fit up under there? Clean the spot. We're gonna glue this thing to my window here. Front view and the rear view. The front and rear model for the F-150 comes in at $250 on Amazon. If you ask me, some pretty cheap insurance if you get in a wreck or have something happen to you, just to have recordings of what actually happened. If you don't want the rear model, you can cheap out a little bit and get the front only model for about $160 on Amazon. Like I said earlier, they make these for almost every new vehicle out. The Dodges, or Rams, the Chevrolets, the Fords, they have a lot of different ones out. And the installation process, as you just seen, was not that difficult. If you ask me, I think every person on the road should have one of these dash cams in their vehicle. So if you're looking to get one in yours, go check out Mangoal dash cams on Amazon.